Have you ever typed in Google Translate but it keeps using the wrong language? If you switch between languages often, this hidden setting can automatically match the language you are typing. No need to change it manually every time. First, open Google Translate. Tap your profile icon at the top right. Then tap Setting. Tap Keyboard. And then enable automatic language selection. As a note, you have to make sure that the language you want to translate is already added in your phone's keyboard language setting. This feature works by automatically matching the input language without you need to manually change the search language when you are typing text in a different language. By default, the search language is still auto-detected, but this makes typing smoother. Given to its function, this feature is useful when chatting in multiple languages, translating copied text frequently, or switching between languages without tapping language menus. So, if you translate text often, automatic language selection saves time and keeps your workflow smooth, especially when combined with tap to translate. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.